Sis, I'm sorry. I never sent you all these bits from yesterday because I wasn't here. Yeah, okay, yesterday. The guys was here, they do downstairs. Yeah, this has been the wall finish. This one finished, yeah. I'll start this one in here. Yeah. Yeah, this is the back in the cover unit here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so we finish all this gonna be complete today. All this gonna be complete today. The kitchen complete. We have just this is the kitchen wall. This is the kitchen. We getting there. Yeah, well, that's how you think set, man. That's how you think set. See that? See you think I think set, huh? Yeah? So you think set, huh? So you think set, see that? See you long on the phone of the bed, I'm sure, yeah? I'm sure what you see. Yeah, that's how you think set, man. You put some board left, you know. You put in and your job done. See that? Your job done. Right? Right? I think that's it. Clean up time now. Yeah? Go. Go on, no? Go on, you see? See if I sit the set. Yeah? Yeah? Upstairs. First bedroom, sis. Upstairs, first bedroom, a bit sunny, so you can't see much anyway. Yeah, it's first bedroom here. Yeah. Alright. Go in the passageway. Passageway ceiling. I just have down there to going down there to complete it and do the patches. Inside here. Plastering. Plastering in there. You look for that wall. This big back wall at the end. Look at that. Yes, sis. Yeah, so hopefully tomorrow we completed your job. downstairs. Yeah. Today, kitchen. Downstairs. I was worried about the water. That's what happened when the guy leave it. It was out. So yeah, that's around these windows, around the door, around the door, there. This is downstairs. Yeah, it's ready for January now. Yeah, living room, dining room, yeah, around the windows. So that. Yeah, in the bathroom. Around the windows. All in. Windows again. Let's see windows. Yeah, that's it. What a happy day. Bathroom, upstairs bathroom. Yeah, all the windows, upstairs bathroom. That wall there. That wall is not going to be plastered, it's okay. It will be over the door frame, to plaster it, so I'll just leave it. Yeah, come in the room. Upstairs the room is the windows, small done. This room here, as I said to you before, as soon as when the window come out, I do that one, so there's nothing to worry about anyway. The time the window come out, I think I can use it, rub that in here and do the journey anyway, so that's not a big problem. See, so I'm done from there. As we talk about the door frame, don't worry about the door frame, I will put in the frame on the side of out. Coming down inside in this room, yeah, windows, long windows there, all roughed in, yeah, all completely in, yeah. Come down on these stairs. Need to start on this stairs. Yeah, further. Alright, walls, down the stairs. Come up down the stairs. This is the stairs. Down. One there. Down the stairs. Watch in. Right over there. Into the door. Yo, bro. Brother, take this plastic off of the door for me. Anything touch the door, wipe it off for me. Go behind the door. That wall there, we just want to we can just stand it down and paint it and do whatever we do to be honest. Cause yeah, from behind there, we can tap. Yeah.